This is a quick review of this adjustable headphone mount I found on Amazon. It's really awesome because it has so much utility. It can swivel. It has a spring-loaded adjustment clamp that you can adjust to put on table ends or whatever. On this video, I have it on a dinner table just for example. And the one little thing I love about this clamp that's really not common to see is this headphone or wire mount. So if you have a headphone that's wireless that needs to charge, or you could put a cable here to charge your headphone, and it works really well. So for example, this is what a headphone on the mount would look like. And here's a set of wireless headphones. We'll put this on the mount. You can swivel. Now obviously it's not fully clamped in, but I took it off and now you can see it's fully adjusted and opened up to accommodate this full width of this dinner table or whatever. This is about 2 inches. It can go up to I think 3 inches in total. So this is the spring-loaded mechanism, and you can put your headphone on there. You can swivel it back and forth. Now, obviously, the more secure it is to a table, the less movement it will have, but in this case, this is not the most perfect example. But you can swivel this, and of course, if you need to charge your headphones, you have the cable that goes in the back. So it's really awesome little mechanism that it has when it comes to utility and also portability. You can put this on anything that you think can be sturdy enough to handle this. You can also make your headphone stand discreet if you wanted to, put this underneath a desk somehow so it's not even seen. But overall, it's a very awesome mount and it just serves its purpose and gives you so much utility.